I swear to God I walk.
Of course it is. It always is.
Both in position. The second that case opens, take them. No loose ends.
Copy. On your call. Money first. Envelopes, all of it.
Fine, but Mara, duck.
What?
Okay, everything you are seeing right now was created with AI, a single prompt, and multiple references using Seedance 2.5. Yes, ByteDance just globally launched Seedance 2.5 on Dreamina, their own in-house AI platform. That means full power, no watered-down version, no cues. In this video, I'm going to test every single new feature myself. 50 reference uploads, 30-second videos, 3D white models, green screen editing, and even automatic multilingual dubbing, and show you exactly how to use them step by step. If you try it yourself, I will put the link in the description. Just grab the link and enjoy the most powerful AI video generator in the world. Let's dive in. If you've used AI video tools before, you know the pain. You write a prompt, hit generate, and pray. It's basically a lottery. Characters change faces between shots, scenes drift. If one tiny detail is wrong, you regenerate the whole thing from scratch. That's fine for fun, but it's a nightmare if you're trying to deliver actual client work. Seedance 2.5 is built to fix exactly that. Here's the jump from 2.0. Reference uploads went from 12 to 50. Video length doubled from 15 seconds to 30 seconds in a single generation. You can now edit specific parts of a video after it's generated, and it natively speaks over 10 languages. Basically, we're moving from prompt and pray to an actual professional workflow. So this is the Dreamina dashboard. Now you can enter your prompt and reference in the prompt box and create the images, videos, and more. On the Create page, you will find all of your generation and also create new content. To access Seedance 2.5, first of all, select the generation mode from here. You will find Agent, Image, Video, Audio, Avatar, and Motion Mimic mode here. We have to select the AI video mode. Once the AI video is selected, we have to select the video model. Here you will find all the Seedance video models. Select the newly added Seedance 2.5 model. After that, select the reference or workflow mode. You can go with Omni Reference, Keyframe, Multiframe, Smart Edit, and long video mode. I will use multiple images, video, and audio clips to create the first video. So, I am selecting the Omni Reference mode. After that, select the aspect ratio and video resolution. Next, we have the duration. You can select between 4 and 30 seconds. Let's set it to 30 to test the maximum consistency. In the end, with the @ you can tag any reference inside the prompt. I will share it later. Okay, we are done. Now let's create the video. I created a scene-by-scene storyboard for a 30-second video clip and collected all the related references. I am going to use all of them to create the first video clip. I am uploading all the reference images. Once all the images are ready, I am adding 2 video clips and 4 audio clips as the reference. However, as I said earlier, you can add 50 reference images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips as the reference. Once all the references are uploaded, I will enter the prompt for this video. This is my prompt. You can notice that it is the scene-by-scene time code, and it's 30 seconds long. Okay, now we have to tag the reference images inside the prompt. To do that, first find the related subject or element inside the prompt, type @ and then select the related subject. I will add all the characters, locations, and props. The audio clips will be used as the voice reference for our character. The first video clip will be used as the visual style, and the second one will be used as the BGM reference. Okay? All set. Now just hit the generate button. The video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready.
Target's early, she's nervous. Good. Say the word and she's done. 2 minutes, then I walk. I swear to God I walk.
Of course it is. It always is.
Both in position. The second that case opens, take them. No loose ends.
Copy. On your call. Money first. Envelopes, all of it.
Fine, but Mara, duck.
What?
And look at the quality of the video. This is amazing. It's exactly following the style we added as the reference. Every character, location, and prop is inside the video, so the result is very consistent. We used audio clips as the voice reference, so we don't need to worry about the voice inconsistency. This is the upgrade from prompt-based guessing to reference-driven creation. You're not describing what you want anymore. You're literally showing it. And now you don't have to create 8-second tiny video clips and stitch them together again and again. You can create 30-second video clips in one go. Not only that, after generating, you get 2 extension attempts to push it even longer. And Dreamina has an exclusive long video mode that goes up to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That's TV, commercial, and short drama territory. Okay, now let's say you find an issue inside the video. Now instead of regenerating the full video, you can use the smart editing feature to edit the exact moment. For example, let's say I created this video earlier using Seedance 2.0. And here you can see that, at the end of the video, the character is talking with a knife instead of the walkie-talkie, and I need to change it. It's super simple. I will add the video clips. Once done, I will add the reference image of the walkie-talkie. Now you can enter a text prompt and edit the video. However, for a precise result, we have to mark the element from the video and then enter the prompt. So, click on Edit with Marks. Now you will find the full preview of the video you want to edit. Just select the frame you want to edit. Now click on the rectangle box here and select the area you want to edit, and then click on the Add to Chat button. The frame will be added to the chat box. Now I am typing, replace the knife. Now I will select the exact element. So, I am selecting the mark option from here, selecting the knife from the video and then typing, with the, and then tag the walkie-talkie reference. Once done, hit the send button, and our video is generating. And here it is, our video is ready. And you can see that the knife is replaced with the walkie-talkie perfectly. Same shot, same movement, same lighting. Everything else is untouched. Circle what you want to change, and everything else stays perfect. No more lottery draws for revisions. If you do client work, ads, e-commerce, anything with feedback rounds, this feature alone pays for itself. Alright, now let's say you are a 3D animator working in Blender or Maya and facing a texture problem. You rendered a project in clay render mode like this. Now, instead of spending days creating texture, you can use the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 model to turn your clay into the final and textured video. I took this raw, untextured white model, just gray geometry, uploaded it. Now, you can add reference images if you have, such as model images, texture maps, etc. If you don't have any, just enter the prompt and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. Full textures, lighting, atmosphere. But here's the key part. The camera movement and composition from my 3D scene stayed exactly the same. You get the spatial control of 3D with the visual quality of AI. And Dreamina has an exclusive plugin for Blender and Maya that sends your clay renders straight into Dreamina. You can even batch render the same scene in totally different art styles. Another problem with creators is editing green screen video. Let's say I have this video where I am talking about aerospace tech. Now, instead of spending hours keying and compositing, I will upload the raw video into Seedance 2.5 and ask it to replace the background and add some more elements. And here it is. You can see the result.
When we talk about aerospace technology, we're not just looking at rockets. We're talking about the intricate systems that power satellites, the materials that protect rovers on Mars.
This is really amazing. You can even create a VFX scene like a big budget film using Seedance 2.5. Just upload the video and ask what you need, and Seedance 2.5 will give you a result like this. You can even create a blend like this. Okay, another big upgrade of Seedance 2.5 is its multilingual creation. Seedance 2.5 natively supports over 10 languages: Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Arabic, Portuguese, Indonesian, Vietnamese, and more. And I don't mean subtitles. I mean the lip sync actually matches each language. This is my earlier generated scene. This is in English. Then, without any translation tools, I generated the same video in Spanish and Japanese. Look at the mouths. The lip sync is aligned per language. The subtitles too, from local to global. All it takes is one translation. If you're doing cross-border e-commerce or short dramas, this is genuinely a game changer. One last pro tip before the verdict: the workflow combos that save you money. Combo 1. Video plus video. Use Seedance 2.0 Mini, which is faster and cheaper, to preview your ideas and test compositions. Then, once you've nailed the concept, switch to Seedance 2.5 for the final production render. Cheap drafts, premium finals. Combo 2. Image plus video. Generate your starting frame with GPT Image 2, which is also on Dreamina, then animate it with Seedance 2.5. It's a complete end-to-end pipeline in one subscription at one of the lowest prices out there. Alright, my honest verdict after testing everything. This is the first AI video model that feels less like a toy, more like a production tool. The 50 references gave me consistency I've never had before. The 30-second generation with timestamp control means I'm directing, not gambling. And Smart Edit Mode fixes the revision problem that's plagued every AI video tool ever. Is it perfect? No, you'll still refine your references and prompts. But the gap between cool AI demo and commercially deliverable video just got dramatically smaller. If you're doing ads, e-commerce content, short dramas, or CG, this is worth your time. If you want to try Seedance 2.5 yourself, click the link in the description right now. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Now go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next one.